making his preseason debut tonight, as he did not play in the Thunder's game the other night, Wednesday.
You could make the case that Oklahoma City had one of the most successful off seasons in the NBA.
The preseason, they won in Oakland against Golden State, and then fell against the Clippers. Karl-Anthony Towns from downtown.
You go from a post
position. Towns.
Nice move by Karl.
Newcomers are going to have to get up to speed in a big hurry.
I'm just looking forward to watching Josh and Kobe.
Easy year from downtown. He's second in the league only with James Harden. And total made threes with 244. That was a good. Bulls with 4 out of their starting 5 on the floor. And Karl-Anthony Towns and Wiggins spins and finishes.
Step-ups. He is a big man, and Derrick Rose did a great job of handling that.
There's not a lot of people that can make Karl-Anthony Towns look small. But standing next to Steven Adams.
But when you see a man that big, no, I know, but to me, I can't really discern, because I listen to, we've got an Aussie on our front office, Manny Roy, and Manny Roy just sounds just like him. So, I mean, like, I don't know that I can distinguish.
Well, tell you that the Timberwolves as a team should up the volume, but you've got to have guys capable of making it.
Baseline's fine if that's where you need to go, but everything that Paul George does is so good. His ability to handle the basketball, the pick and roll game in isolation as well. A lot of guys have really come in here and contributed for OKC. That's why I said the depth of their team is impressive.
Deontay Burton sent into Fox Sports North when the Timberwolves job opened.
That's right.
And James Nunley had a very nondescript game. I looked back at that box score and I didn't really, just about in the books. See if the Timberwolves can get over the century mark here. Bates Diop does.
Oh, nice move.
And the Timberwolves will finish this one off 113-101. They fall to 1-2 in this exhibition season. We will come back to Target Center to wrap